this video, you will learn how to install the GO10 device using a Geotab standard 16-pin T harness kit. A Ford F-150 pickup truck has been used for this demonstration. The Geotab standard 16-pin harness kit is used for multiple types of OBD-II installations. There are several mounting adapters for different vehicle types. Refer to the insert included in the package to determine the adapter for your specific vehicle make and model. You may need a variety of tools depending on your vehicle type. Some vehicles may require additional tools. Make a note of your Go device's serial number for future reference. In most vehicles, the diagnostic port is located under the driver's dashboard. Remove any dash panels required to complete the installation, and then proceed to remove the OBD-II connector from its factory location. Begin by preparing the harness. Insert the desired mounting adapter onto the short harness from the end of the male Molex connector. Next, connect it to the T harness and ensure it locks in place. Attach the diagnostic port to the male end of the harness and ensure it is locked into place. Secure the connection using a cable tie. And trim any excess tie. Next, take the female short end of the harness that was prepared earlier and mount it into the factory diagnostic port location. Now take the other end of the harness and route the cable to the mounting location. Attach the female long end of the harness to the Go device. Ensure the harness clicks into place on the Go device to ensure a solid connection. The white light on the device will start to flash. This indicates the device is initializing or waking up. Do not power off the device. Wait for it to finish. To ensure the quality of data, the Go device must not move in any way. Secure the device to a solid mounting surface using at least 2 cable ties. The mounting location must not obstruct vehicle operation or airbags in any way. Trim any excess tie. Start the vehicle to verify the device is working properly. The green LED will turn solid green when the ignition is on. This indicates the device is working properly. If the LED flashes orange, move the vehicle to an area with a clear view of the sky. This will allow for better cellular and GPS signals. Visit install.geotab.com to validate the installation of the Go device. Secure any excess wiring under the dash using cable ties and trim the excess cable tie. Reattach any dash panels and drill back in any screws removed earlier. Apply pressure to ensure the clips snap back into place. The installation is now complete.